back to another Sunday cooking episode here on our channel. It's great to have you guys here. Just woke up just a slight bit early than usual, around 7. I usually wake up at 8, but yeah, I'm gonna get started on the umu. We've got the menu today is fairly average, but it's just need to roast some chickens today, but like whole chickens, so that's the whole chickens from the store, not your usual Samoan chicken here. I'm gonna get started on the umu, so that's why I opted to do a umu today. It's because I'll be using the oven to roast the chickens, and they're fairly large chickens, which is why I don't want to use the oven to make the umu today. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and yeah, we'll see you guys soon.
Alright guys, umu's on, so I'm gonna get started on the cooking now.
we've got some roast chicken to do. And we've got lamb stir fry, so fairly simple menu. Should be straightforward. Alright, so first we're gonna start off with the bread here. So this bread is what we'll use to make the stuffing. Then we'll add a few secret ingredients. Oh jeez. So we're just gonna quickly toast the bread because I couldn't find any toasted bread or pango at the shop. So yeah, we'll start off with that and we'll see how we go. The main important thing for me, with roasting whole chickens is the stuffing, because that's where, I don't know, I think the magic is gonna go into. So the way I do it is using toasted bread and then put a lot of love into making the stocking. So then that stocking is what we'll mix with the bread, get it aromatized, and then yeah, we'll stuff the chicken with it. But I want to show you guys something really interesting. So last night was Palolo night, which everyone goes to check on the fish. Palolo. Now, I didn't know Uncle went looking for some palolo at the beach. There's a beach down here that usually has them. And have a look at this. Ooh, we've got palolo in the house. Now, I don't know where the palolo is, but based on this, it's stored somewhere in the house. If this has been cleaned out, then it must mean that there's palolo somewhere in the house. Yeah, let's go, Uncle. Yeah, enough talking. I'm gonna get started. Let's go get some stuff for the stuffing. Just gonna wait for the bread to cool down a bit, and then we'll start the stuffing, the cooking for the stuffing. This is one of the main ingredients for the stock, is chicken stock. I think it's chicken stock, yep. So we'll use that in the stock to give the flavor, and we'll add some stuff for other purposes. It's looking good. No, don't touch. Looks like Uncle was successful with the Palu. So it's not much, but you know, grateful and thankful. Alright guys, almost at the end. Just some final stuff with the soup. Just letting the beef soften a bit, tender a bit, and then the chicken's almost done. So hopefully have a result for you guys pretty soon. Alright guys, so if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you again for staying tuned on our channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. So we've got the final result now, and I'm going to show it to you guys. So again, I really sorry I can't share this over the screen, but it smells amazing, honestly. And another thing I forgot to mention, because stuffing, I've got a very fond childhood memory of the, you know, the American stovetop stuffing, and that's a tongue twister. And you know, whenever I do stuffings, I try to replicate that. So this is the closest I've got to stuffing, the stovetop stuff. Jesus, stovetop stuffing. So hope you guys enjoy it. I'll show it to you guys now. Alright guys, so we've got our taro, or I've got our luau here, our banana. I think that was from one of our neighbors. Got the taro, ulu, lamb stir fry, our chicken, roast chicken with stuffing, and our beef soup. Looking good. Alright guys, so we're gonna sign off. We're gonna go have to night. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and we'll definitely see you guys again on the next episode. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. Fuck off.